Good morning, Mom. Good morning, sweetheart. Breakfast is on the table. Thank you so much. It looks delicious. I'm happy to hear that, dearie. So, sweetheart. I was thinking that since the holidays are coming up, that we do something special together. That sounds great. I agree. So, I booked tickets to fly to Greece. Really? Oh my god! Thank you so much! You're welcome, sweetheart, anytime. When do we leave? We fly on Sunday. You're the best mum ever. Thank you so much. Don't worry about it. You've been working so hard at school. I think you deserve a little vacay. You too, Mum. You've been working so hard too. We both deserve it. Well, come on. You better get to school now. Don't want to be late. Okay. Thanks for the breakfast. It was delicious. No problem. Hey, Eddie. I'm happy to see you too, but why are you meowing so loud? You won't believe what my best mum in the world just did. What? She booked tickets to Greece. Oh, gee, that's so exciting. I'm so happy for you. Yeah, go to Greece. Yeah, go to Greece. Yeah, go to Greece. Greece. I can't wait for this epic adventure. Me either.